The 2008 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With just over 40,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Jeep infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as delay-off headlights, variably intermittent wipers, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and air conditioning. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.